I told you.
What pepper?
I put a plate of cook-up right here. The plate of cook-up gone. Can you find the plate of cook-up?
I think I was gonna just taste it, but it tastes so good, I'm gonna eat it all.
That's it. Eat on my plate of cook-up. I put the plate of cook-up right here.
I didn't tell you to make
My plate.
Paul, you food tastes good, boy.
Movie man meeting. Thank you, man.
You can't get away from that place.
Movie man.
I just made an observation, right?
Uh-huh.
So imagine people come from New York and then they say how we don't have enough space in Florida for them. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Neighbor house, your house. Where's your last line?
Yes, man. One at a time. Let me go.
Don't eat too much, because then you can't pass.
Are we here in New York? Look who we meet up with. I mean, say hi, Tim, man.
Hello. Oh,
Good.
everybody in Florida. Hello.
Who wants soup or cook-up rice? It's only $5 a plate.
Listen, we're going back 10 pounds overweight.
Yeah, no.
She started class.
Nice.
Husband cook, wife get credit.
So you cook, right? Yes, yes.
Oh, that's good. She said, oh, she's dead.
You full in your belly, you done.
Come back again.
Oh, yes.
Come back again.
Wait, let me get a cook up.
How much for a plate? Can I get a
Honey,
plate?
look at the cook up.
$5
$5 a plate.
Special treatment.
I don't like it too thick.
Mm-hmm.
I like it liquid and glossy.
All right. Soup, nice. Make you feel right.
If you want, come back tomorrow.
All right,
We have
thanks.
tons of it. 2 big pots, right?
Let's go, man. Me name movie man, right?
Yes.
And now I have to what? Yeah, man.
Take your own food.
Go take your own food.
You eat right there. What else? Everything within hand reach.
Fire! Alright, so for $66, you can replace your man. $66, replace your man. She said you could turn around, you could put your hand on it. Anything you could do with it. Yes! Yes! That's it! You replace. You're next. I don't think you need that. Wait, there's a line! You're next. $66 replace your man.